right, we go for the horizontal stabilizer. So I'm going to start my new part. And then I'm going to do a front sketch. If we look at the sketch here, we have 4.1 or 3.14 to the right, and then up 4.43, and we'll start there. So front plane and do a line. So I go to the right and I do 3.14, enter. I'm going to go up 0.43, enter. And then actually, I'm going to go and do this, kind of go back to it in a second. It's 1.2, and then up, and I'll kind of talk about the Y in a second. Up 1. Okay, and then I'm going to turn off the lines for a second. So basically what I just did, and I can drag my dimensions out of the way, see what's going on, is I'm drawing, we kind of got some right triangles in here. And so this angle, we want this angle here. We don't know what the angle is exactly, but we know the dimensions of the legs of the right triangle, 1 inch and 1.2. So we're going to do those, and then we'll connect them after, which will bring our angles in. So I'm going to do a repeat of what I just did on the other side. So I'm going to go get my line tool, start the origin, go up 0.43. I'm going to go to the right, be 1.2, and then back in here, go up 1, and I could actually just connect it. There we go. So then I want to do is still get my line tool on, and I just want to connect those vertices there, and then voila. So I go to isometric, kind of see it there, and I'll extrude it. And I just basically select all 3 shapes there. And then I'm going to extrude it 0.09. We're doing those thin pieces. There it is. Now I'm going to go back, and part 2 of this is I need to put that slot so that way it can slide around the horizontal stabilizer or vertical stabilizer. And so I need to make a rectangle. So I'm going to do 1.1 by 0.1 rectangle. So let's do that. I'm going to go back to sketch 1. Okay, same sketch. I don't need to redo anything. I'm going to do a little rectangle that's basically attached here, goes down. That distance was 0.1. And this one here was 1.1. There we go. So what I want to do is move these pieces out of the way. And those are all 1, and then this thing is 1.1. And then what I need next is just the distance. I'll switch sides. From here to here was 0.32. So I go to my dimension tool, and I click here, and I click on the end of that point, end of that point, and that's what needs to be 0.32. It slides it over. So when I go back, it'll kind of notch that out. And then that is it. Could change the color of it. You know how to do that. And then rename it. Right click, rename, and so on. So there you go. We're done.